Okay, let's tackle a huge question. Is psychology actually a science? We're about to find out.
You've probably wondered this a million times. Why on earth do people do the things they do?
In a way, we're all kind of amateur psychologists, trying to figure people out.
But here's the thing, just going with our gut feelings, it can leave us way off track.
I mean, think about it. Opposites attract, but also birds of a feather flock together. Which is it?
So, what does the research say? Turns out, birds of a feather flock together is the one that holds up.
And once you know the answer, it feels so obvious, right? That's called hindsight bias, the I knew it effect.
The real kicker? We're often clueless about why we choose things. A really cool T study shows this.
Researchers tested this idea by making up tea names with letters from people's own names. And get this, a whopping 64% of people picked the tea named after, well, themselves. That's a huge preference, and people had no idea they were doing it. It felt totally random. In fact, more than 90% swore they just picked the one that tasted better. They were completely unaware.
So if our gut is this unreliable, what's the alternative? Well, it's the scientific method.
This is just a system, a set of rules, really, for testing ideas with actual, measurable data.
The whole point is to separate what we feel should be true from what we can actually prove is true. But look, studying people isn't like studying rocks or chemicals. We're complicated. That's because almost everything we do has multiple causes. It's never just one simple thing. Take depression, for example. It's a mix of your biology, your personal life, and your culture.
So yeah, psychology is a science because of how it asks questions, not because the answers are easy.
It's this scientific approach that helps us move past guesswork and truly understand ourselves.